Hey y'all, this is Meredith, and this is how you format the background of a page on a blank template in Book Creator. So when I created my book, I chose New Book, and then I chose one of the top 3 blank templates, not the comic book, but the blank one. Okay, so I'm going to format the background of the page, and all I have to do is make sure that there's nothing on the page that I'm clicked on, and I'm going to go up to the inspector button, which is Format, and I'm going to click on it, and it's going to allow me to change the background of my page. If I would have chosen a comic book template, it would have defaulted to comics at the top. I do still have those here if I wanted to choose one. Okay, but I also have different kinds of paper. So I have lined paper, graph paper, that's great. Just borders, patterns that are some really nice patterns for the background, and some textures. So whenever it comes to time to format your the background in your book, you can choose any of these to jazz it up.